Today we're going to look at your updated social media dashboard. This update includes additional statistics to help you understand your social media engagement and campaign. Now with the new dashboard, you can select and compare different statistics to see what kind of content is most effective, which platforms have the most engagement, and how followers are interacting with your content. This gives you the ability to make the tweaks you need to get the most out of social media for your business. As you can see, you have 3 different graphs to analyze: content type, social platform, and engagement type. With the content type section, we show you engagements for My Listings, Marketplace listings, articles, holidays, and custom posts across all of your social media platforms. Engagements consist of clicks, likes, shares, and comments. This line graph has a lot of information and it can be difficult to analyze, so we decided to include this pie chart to summarize how each content type performed over the selected date range. If you want to see how a particular content type performs, you can just deselect the other types. This is helpful, but we really do need to compare statistics to make decisions. Now we can see how your personal listings performed compared to the shared listings from other agents in your office with marketplace listings. It can sometimes be hard to declare a winner by just looking at the line graph, but this pie chart makes it really clear. You need to take the quantity of posts into account when reviewing your stats. If I'm posting 2 of my listings per week and 1 marketplace listing, then 64% and 36% is about what I would expect. If I look at my custom posts compared to my articles from Circlepix, there is a pretty big difference. So I might want to look at what I can do differently with my custom posts. If a certain type of content gets consistent engagement, you might want to post more of it. You can also change the date range to be broader or more specific depending on what you're trying to analyze. A date range with more than 31 days will break down the statistics into weeks. The social platform section shows you how much interaction you've had on each social media platform and is broken down into content type. For another big picture view, the pie chart over here shows you which platforms are getting the most engagement, so you can easily see where you have the greatest influence. Finally, in the engagement type section, you can see how people are interacting with your content. Are they just clicking on it, or are they liking, sharing, and commenting? It's also broken down into social media platforms. There's another pie chart to show you which types of engagement are most common and help you decide what you can do to get better engagement. One of the best ways to increase likes, shares, and comments is liking, sharing, and commenting on your followers' posts. If some platforms are seeing more engagement than others, you can tweak your settings to post more often on those platforms. Your social media stats can give you insight into how you're currently engaging your followers, as well as what you can do to tweak your social media marketing to get even better results. If you want to make any changes, you can edit your preferences for My Listings, articles, marketplace listings, and holidays by simply clicking on the corresponding tab and clicking on any of the edit buttons. That's it for your social stats. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.